Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clear range and scale. This matters because spacing dictates accuracy. Draw a straight horizontal line, then mark the origin as 0 so you have a reference point. Next, set equal intervals, use 1, 0, 5 or 5 depending on the numbers you need, and label every tick or every fifth tick for readability. Once done, double-check the labels and spacing, because consistent spacing prevents calculation errors when you add, subtract, or compare values on the line. You now plot numbers precisely so comparisons make sense. Convert decimals or fractions to match your scale. For example, express 1/4 as 0, 25, or as a labeled 1/4 tick if your scale allows. Place positives to the right of 0 and negatives to the left, and position each point at the correct interval. Once plotted, use contrasting colors or symbols to differentiate integers from fractions and decimals, because visual separation helps you see order, distance, and relative size quickly. You finish by performing operations and verifying results on the number line. For addition, move right the specified number of ticks. For subtraction, move left. This physical shift shows the why behind the arithmetic. To find distance or magnitude, draw an arrow or count ticks between 2 points and label the result. If outcomes look wrong, make sure to recheck the scale, spacing, and that every tick aligns with its label. Fixing a misaligned tick usually resolves most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.